Hi, hello, and welcome to the Mendez family. Thank you for supporting us, and those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and support us. So today, as you can see, we are serving the boiled curry which we already showed you in this channel, and we are happy to show you tasting it, and Roshna is tasting it today and she loves it a lot. The boiled curry is a delicacy of the Anglo Indians, and today I have introduced myself as the Anglo Indian Tamil Ponnu because I would like to represent myself as even a Tamil person because my father is a Tamilian. Even though he is a Tamilian, I didn't get the chance to talk in Tamil in the house, as my mother is an Anglo Indian. And I enjoyed all the benefits of the Anglo Indian community. For example, education. Till my 12th standard, I was supported fully by the Anglo Indian Association. So today, we are going to make cutlets. So this video is all about the making of cutlets, which is our favorite dish. And we love cutlets. The Anglo Indians are very fond of beef. Of course, the Tamilians will not have. So there comes the divide, I should say. So you can use any kind of meat. It can be minced chicken or it can be mutton, anything of your choice. But here today we are going to use beef. As you've read already, the finely chopped onions and the green chilies were well fried. And then we added the spice powders, that is cinnamon, cloves and pepper according to the requirement. And then we are adding the mince. And they are mixed well until they are well combined and the oil oozes out. You can see the oil coming up. Until then you have to keep mixing, and also the mince will be cooked well after frying it. We are adding the spice powders and the turmeric powder and the salt, and we are going to fry it well. So this is the first step. So it depends on the quantity you are preparing. So accordingly you can take the onions, the green chilies according to the spice required, the pepper can be added according to your requirement. So as you can see, the mince, the spices, everything is well mixed and it is dry. See, there is no water completely. So at this stage, and the oil is also, you can see the oil coming up. So at this stage you have to switch off. And next step is we are going to mix the boiled potatoes with this.
So this is the minced meat. You smash with the potato.
Now you can add 3 to 4 potatoes as it is required. If you would like to have more potatoes, then you can add more potatoes.
Inside.
It depends on the quantity of the mince that you have taken, and combine it well. As you can see, I am mixing it with my hand, with my fingers, so that the potatoes are well mashed along with the minced meat. So the quantity of the potatoes also enhances the taste of the cutlet. So the kids usually love potatoes, and again it depends on how much is required. So நீங்க உங்களுக்கு தேவையான உருளைக்கிழங்க வேக வச்ச உருளைக்கிழங்க சேர்த்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா நல்ல ஒரு சுவையான ஒரு கட்லெட்டை நீங்க சாப்பிடலாம். இப்போ அந்த கட்லெட்டை எப்படி செய்யறதுன்னு நான் காமிக்கிறேன் பாருங்க.
Crumbs.
அந்த மின்ஸை உங்களுக்கு தேவையான அளவு ஒரு எலுமிச்சை சைஸ் இல்லை பெரிய எலுமிச்சை சைஸ் எடுத்து அதை நல்லா தட்டையாக அமுத்தி, நாங்கள் எப்பொழுதுமே அதை வந்து பிரெட் கிரம்ஸில் முதல்ல முக்கிட்டு அப்புறம் தான் நாங்கள் வந்து முட்டையில் முக்குவோம். எல்லாத்தையும் ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அடுப்பை பற்ற வச்சு இந்த கட்லெட்டை நம்ம ஃப்ரை பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கலாம், வறுத்து எடுத்துக்கலாம். So today I am making this cutlet and I've explained to you as I have told the same thing in Tamil, nothing different, but you can also see how I am preparing the shapes of the cutlet, and we usually dip first in the crumbs and then in the eggs and fry them, and the delicious beef cutlets are ready. So those who haven't subscribed yet, please think of subscribing as it's going to become better. You know that the Mendez family channel, how it was when it started, and now I'm making baby steps in improving this channel.
We are ready.
உங்களுக்கு எங்கள் சேனல் பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா, நாங்கள் போடுற கண்டென்ட் வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், மற்றவங்களுக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். நாங்கள் சுவையாக சமைச்சு சந்தோஷமாக சாப்பிட்டு வீட்டில் எப்படி எங்களுடைய நேரங்களை கழிக்கிறோன்னு நீங்களும் பார்த்து ரசித்து நீங்களும் உங்கள் வீட்டில் சமைச்சு சந்தோஷமாக சாப்பிடுங்க. Cooking at home is always very special because you know the right ingredients and the amount of taste required by your taste buds. But when you go outside and have food, you might not like it 100%. But at home, it is in your hands. You can prepare delicious food and eat in the required quantity and amount without wasting anything, and everything is in our hands. So as the tasty cutlets are being prepared, I've told a little about me as of how we have learnt all these dishes from my mother, and it's always a special occasion that we do this. We don't make this often as the Anglo Indians used to make in the olden days. Every Sunday this was their food, but this is become very rare nowadays and a very special occasion, and I made this when my husband returned from Canada after surprised him with his favorite food, ball curry and cutlet, and he was really happy and the whole family enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching, and please do comment as we would love to hear from you. Bye.